Let's talk about the living room. It's where life happens. It's the heart of your home, the place where you relax, entertain, and make memories. A well-designed living room isn't just pretty, it's functional and feels like home. It's a space that should cater to your needs and reflect your personality. When you walk into a room that's been thoughtfully put together, you can feel it. Everything has its place, and there's a sense of harmony and balance. The furniture invites you to sit and stay a while. It's all about creating a welcoming atmosphere where you can unwind. We want your living room to be a place where you and your loved ones want to spend time, a space that encourages quality time and togetherness. Now, I know decorating can feel overwhelming, especially if this is your first home. The choices can seem endless, and it's easy to feel lost. But don't worry, we're going to break it down into simple steps. We'll guide you through the process, making it easy and enjoyable. We'll focus on two key pieces: your couch and your coffee table. These elements set the tone for the entire room. These are the foundation of any great living room. They provide comfort and functionality, and they can be stylish too. So let's dive in and create a living room you'll love coming home to. A space that's not just beautiful, but also a true reflection of you. Alright, let's talk about furniture placement. Where you put your couch and coffee table can make or break your space. Good placement can make a small room feel bigger and a big room feel cozier. First, think about how you use the room. Do you love to entertain? Or is it more of a quiet reading nook? This will help guide your decisions. Next, consider the flow of the room. You want to be able to move around easily. Don't block doorways or natural pathways. A good rule of thumb is to leave about 30 inches of walking space around furniture. Now let's talk about focal points. Your furniture arrangement should highlight this feature. Try angling your couch towards the focal point and place your coffee table in front of the couch. When it comes to couches, comfort is key. After all, a couch is where you unwind after a long day, where you gather with friends and family, and where you might even take a nap. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. You can have a couch that's both comfortable and a statement piece in your living room. Let's look at 3 great options that blend comfort and look seamlessly, making your space both inviting and chic. First up, we have the classic sectional. This type of couch is a favorite for many reasons. These are perfect for larger spaces or if you love to host. They provide ample seating for guests and can make your living room the go-to spot for gatherings. They offer plenty of seating and can be arranged in different ways. Whether you want an L shape, U shape, or something more unique, sectionals are incredibly versatile. Next, let's talk about the trusty sofa. This is a staple in many homes for good reason. This is a great option for smaller spaces, or if you like to change up your room layout often. Sofas are easy to move around and can fit into various room designs. A 3-seater sofa is versatile and timeless. It can serve as the main seating area or complement other furniture pieces. Finally, don't overlook the love seat. These smaller couches pack a punch in terms of style and functionality. These compact couches are perfect for small spaces or as part of a larger seating arrangement. They can fit into tight corners or serve as additional seating in a bigger room. They're cozy and intimate, great for curling up with a book or having a heart-to-heart with a friend. Love seats create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Pair a love seat with some comfy chairs for a flexible seating arrangement. This combination can make your living room adaptable for different occasions, whether it's a quiet evening or a lively gathering. Now, let's talk coffee tables. These aren't just functional pieces, they're an opportunity to add style and personality to your room. First up, we have the classic wood table. You can't go wrong with this timeless choice. Look for interesting grain patterns or a unique shape to add visual interest. Next, let's consider a glass coffee table. These are great for making a small space feel bigger. The transparent surface doesn't visually clutter the room. Lastly, nested coffee tables are a trend I'm loving right now. These are sets of 2 or 3 tables that can be spread out or tucked together. They're perfect for small spaces because they're so flexible. Plus, they add visual interest with different heights. and often mix materials like wood and metal. Section 5. Perfect pairs matching your couch and coffee table. Alright y'all, let's talk about pairing your couch and coffee table. It's like putting together the perfect outfit. Everything should complement each other without being too matchy-matchy. The key is to find balance in style, scale, and function. First, think about style. Mixing styles keeps things interesting and personal. Next, consider scale. Your coffee table should be about 2/3 the length of your couch. Height matters too. Your table should be about the same height as your couch cushions, or a little lower. Don't forget about function. Think about how you'll use the table. If you often rearrange your space, consider a lighter table or one on wheels for easy moving. Section 6. Arrangement artistry tips for furniture placement. Now that we've picked out our furniture, let's talk about arranging it. This is where the magic happens, y'all. Good furniture placement can make your room feel larger, more inviting, and just plain comfy. Let's start with the basics. First, decide on a focal point. Arrange your furniture to highlight this feature. Try floating your couch in the room, facing the focal point. This creates a strong visual impact and can actually make the room feel bigger. Next, think about conversation areas. You want to create spaces where people can comfortably chat. Try arranging your couch and chairs in a U shape around the coffee table. Just make sure to leave enough room for people to walk around easily. Section 7. Small space solutions. Making the most of limited square footage. Living in a small space? Don't worry y'all, size doesn't have to limit style. You can have a chic and functional living area even if you're working with limited square footage. With some smart choices, you can create a living room that feels spacious and stylish. It's all about making the right decisions when it comes to furniture and layout. Let's talk about some tricks for making the most of every square inch. These tips will help you maximize your space without sacrificing style. First, consider a love seat instead of a full-sized couch. A love seat provides ample seating while taking up less space. It'll give you that cozy seating without overwhelming the room. Plus, it leaves more room for other essential pieces. Pair it with a couple of sleek armchairs for extra seating when you need it. This way, you can accommodate guests without cluttering the space. Look for chairs with thin arms and legs. This helps keep the visual space open. Furniture with a slim profile can make a big difference in a small room. When it comes to your coffee table, think multifunctional. A piece that serves multiple purposes is a game changer in small spaces. A storage ottoman can serve as a coffee table, extra seating, and hidden storage all in one. It's a versatile piece that can help keep your living room tidy. Use vertical space to your advantage. Don't forget about the walls when you're planning your layout. Wall-mounted shelves can take the place of bulky bookcases. They provide storage without taking up valuable floor space. Plus, they draw the eye up, making the ceiling feel higher. This can create the illusion of a larger, more open space. Section 8. Your dream living room, bringing it all together. All right, y'all, we've covered a lot of ground. Now it's time to bring it all together and create your dream living room. Remember, this is your space. It should reflect your personality and meet your needs. Start by choosing your couch and coffee table. These are your anchor pieces. Once you have these, you can build the rest of the room around them. Add in some comfy chairs, maybe a side table or two. Layer in some soft textiles like throw pillows and a cozy blanket. Don't forget about the finishing touches. Your living room should be a place where you love to spend time.